Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with outside kitchen refrigerator, electric awning, solar power prep, flip-down travel rack, double-step entry, spare tire, stabilizer jacks, outside storage, LED exterior lighting, outside speakers, backup camera ready, outside shower, tire pressure monitors, stainless sink, bathroom toilet, carbon monoxide detector, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, USB charging station, mini blinds, detachable power cord, front bedroom, fire extinguisher, queen size bed, LP leak detector, overhead kitchen storage, dual lights over headboard, flush mount gas range cover, overhead storage, set of bunks. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.